now to Ukraine, where health workers continue to battle TB despite the challenging situation. TB People Ukraine was launched in 2018, uniting the TB community with its ambitious goal to end deaths from the disease in the country. Olya Klymenko, the chair of the board at TB People Ukraine, who herself survived TB, joins me now to look at the organisation's work in more detail. Olya, thank you so much for coming to the UnionLIVE studio. It's really great to have you here. So tell us briefly, what does your organisation actually do?
So, how you said, our organization is a TB community, but today it's not only TB survivors, we united TB survivors and experts, and we have several priorities for our organization. It's advocacy, because we need development and prepare a program for national and local level, and it's services. We need reaction for barriers, what people can face it in their treatment. It's some barriers access for medical or social or psychologist or legal services. So we provide this help for people who faced with tuberculosis, HIV and hepatitis, and for medical services, medical doctors and medical hospitals, not only doctors. And of course, our priority is fighting with discrimination, because it's really higher barriers for world, not only for Ukraine. It's a big problem with in the process fighting with tuberculosis to achieve for our goals. And all these areas helped us prepare our programs in Ukraine, because we have really great but realistic idea. We want to have strong and effective TB program and public health program in Ukraine for our people, and maybe after share for another country our experience.
So you play a critical role, really, don't you, in the country? But in terms of the organisation and this conference, what is the key messages that you want to communicate during your time here in Paris?
Every Union conference is really important event for us, and we wait every year this conference. And I think we need more involved community experience, expertise, because this year, together with Top TB Partnership, we had opportunity have some places with site where we can present our virtual assistance or another our innovation progress, and it's always can help for experts, for higher experts, for donors, thinking about their priorities, thinking about their programs. So I think if we can involve more community experience, it will be better. And I think we need more session in Community Connect, because we want to share our experience not only with community members, we want to share our experience for expertise high level, and really want that they are hear us.
So can you tell us about the role of communities? You just mentioned Community Connect, but let's broaden it out to communities in actually overcoming TB, because they play a critical role, don't they?
We have a great message for all communities, nothing for us without us. And it's about role for communities, because people who survived, who are affected by any disease, not only tuberculosis, it's a really great expert in their treatment, in their way, in their situation, what they are feeling. We can't develop any program for people if we didn't know what feeling these people, what they need. So if we want prepare and development strong people-centered care programs in the world, we need here in community. And in this is important role for community. Why we are here.
It is, isn't it? Indeed. Olya Klymenko, chair of the board and TB People Ukraine, thank you so much for talking to us here on UnionLIVE. Thank you.
Thank you so much for time.